To add a promo code on the Walmart app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in to your Walmart account or create a new one if you do not already have an account. Next, browse the app to find the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. You can do this by searching for specific products, browsing through categories, or using the scan feature to scan barcodes of items you want to buy. After adding all the items you want to purchase to your cart, tap on the cart icon at the top right corner of the screen to view your cart. On the cart page, you will see a list of all the items you have added, along with their prices and any applicable discounts. To apply a promo code, tap on the Apply Promo Code link below the list of items in your cart. This will bring up a new page where you can enter your promo code. Type the promo code into the text box and tap the Apply button. If the promo code is valid, you will see the discount applied to your order. If you have multiple promo codes, you can try applying each one to see which one gives you the best discount. However, keep in mind that you can only use one promo code per order. After applying the promo code, review your order to make sure everything is correct, including the items, prices, and discount. Finally, tap the checkout button to complete your order. You will be taken to a new page where you can choose your payment method. Select your delivery or pickup option, and review your order one last time before submitting it. By following these steps, you can easily add a promo code on the Walmart app and start saving money on your purchases. Always make sure to read the terms and conditions of the promo code to understand any restrictions or limitations. And do not hesitate to contact Walmart customer service if you have any issues with applying a promo code.